She's a big size.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zanelsa, but of course you can call me Flawless. So I'm here. If you read by the title, I made a new purchase and I got myself a new ring light because the one I've been using, it ain't doing nothing for me. So we need to switch it up. So I got me a new ring light, and if you guys want to see me unbox, we can see what it's all about. Also, I will drop in the description if you are inquiring to purchase one for yourself. Let's see what this ring light can do. So continue watching and we'll see if it was worth spending some coins. All right, see you shortly. Bye. And if you do like this ring light, or if you've tried it before, leave down below so others can actually see, yeah, this is a good ring light or not good. Comment, let me see what you think about this ring light as well, if you've made the same purchase. All right, thank you. See you guys shortly.
Okay guys, so I got this Neewer ring light. Ordered this baby on Amazon. I know it's like the pandemic and everything, so we got the Prime. It's supposed to come in 2 days. I ordered it like on a Friday, and I got it like a week. It took a week to get here, which was kind of quick because of the pandemic. So I guess that's a good thing. Wasn't a rush, so I was pretty happy. So excited. And she's a big size. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like it comes with about 3 parts. Of course, this is a ring light. This is the 18-inch. So, yes. Perfect. And then this must be everything else. So it comes with, this is a part for my phone, so I can start recording with my phone. I record with a Canon, but I can start recording with my phone. It came with the button, so I can start taking my little selfies with no help. And then these are the pieces that go on top of here. So it came with, so these are for the darker ones, like a shade, and then this is a neutral white. So 2 pieces. Then it comes with the adapter, the charger, and then I'm missing this piece. Is the piece for, let me open it up. This has to be the piece to put my camera. And this is the button when you're taking pictures, taking your little selfie. And that's pretty much everything it comes with. So I'm about to install it and put it together, and let's see what we get. Oh my god, I'm so happy I actually bought this. By the way, it was like $120. I'm gonna drop the exact price in the description. and I will drop somewhere later on in this video exactly where I purchased it. It was on Amazon. It was one of the Amazon's top choice. So yeah, so this is a stand. I was about to say this thing about to touch the ceiling. Okay, so that's that. Basically, it comes with the whole instructions on how to put it together. So it tells you all the parts. It comes with instructions on how to put it together. The Neewer ring light. Oh, and it has the whole dimmers on and off. And then this is for the power. So first things first, let's actually put this on. So it's 4 different pieces. This one goes here. So that's that. And let's add some power. Yes, I'm so happy I actually bought this. I can't say it enough. Like, I needed this. So that's that one piece, and then you plug it into the adapter. And then we got power. Now plug this to this. Okay, so it's plugged in. Let's see. Let's turn it on. Damn. Dang. So I'm playing with the dimmer, trying to get a feel of the shades I want. So this is like the white, kind of more like a blue tint. And I'm guessing if you're looking for more of a warmth, you would go with one of this. So you just change them out. So there's an adjuster here that you have to tighten so it doesn't fall forward and backwards, which is really good because the one I have doesn't do that. And it's annoying because I had to like tape it together. So this is actually better. So yeah, this piece, I'm just gonna go ahead and slide her in. And just slide it in like that. It's up. So I slide that in. And I could put my phone. I could put my phone up here. Oh, and you can even adjust. Okay, so you can adjust it and move it around. So this part, this is the one for your phone. I'm gonna put it up here. There you go. So phone, camera, And we got a new ring light. Shine bright. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. Perfecto. Okay guys, I wanted to show you guys with my camera on the new ring light. Yes, this is the newer ring light. I did install my camera. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's so big, so cute. So let's try it with the lights on. I'm gonna put to the highest it has. That is bright. But this is gonna be really great for my tutorials on my makeup. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
Guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and drop in the comments if you decide you want to get you a newer ring light. If you're feeling it, once again, it is in the description if you want to make a purchase. And thanks for watching. Bye loves.